Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rename notebooks on SciSpace. So once you go ahead and make any kind of research and you are saving that research, let me go ahead and show you for as an example. So if you're going to make any research here, then those research will be stored under your lecture reviews, and you can quickly open that, and during and while going through the research you'll be able to find a section where it's going to say you can save to notebooks. Right, these notebooks are literally folders that are created to store this kind of information that is pulled from different pages, so you can quickly save those notebooks. But the thing is, once you save those notebooks, it's going to save under the generic name. So in order to rename these folders, you can go to your My Library and you'll find the folder structure on the left hand side. Also here you'll find those different research documents and so forth. So if you want to change the notebook folder, just click the tree that's towards the right hand side, click and edit, and you can rename it to whatever you want. Right, it doesn't have to be notebook, it could be whatever you want. It could be whatever you want. I'm going to call it ABC research, for example, and you can just basically name it whatever you want. Hit enter and it's going to update that folder name for you. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and rename or change the name of a notebooks folder on SciSpace.